It's an early start for us this morning. Our little
Yo! Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Eileen, that's Martin.
And that is Walter. Do you know, we've been living full time for the last 3.5 years in Walter, and he's taken us to 4 continents, and Canada is country number 25.
morning. It's an early start for us this morning. It's not often we get off at 5:50, but it was 5:50 and the alarm went off.
It's still dark outside.
Yeah, it's still dark outside. We're parked in this car park. We've got to drive just 5 minutes around the corner to.
I'm still having a cup of tea.
We managed to make a cup of tea. It's not often we drive with the headlights on, is it? I needed them.
So as Martin says, we're up early, too early, but we're excited because we're going to the Broughton Archipelago with Sea Wolf Adventures. So a boat tour up through all the islands to Glendale Cove, which is famous for grizzlies. Hope we see some.
That's us. Backpacks, a few little snacks, binoculars, and we're ready to go. After a good, just checked in, after a good start, Yorkshire tea. So, we haven't really had a debriefing yet, but we've all been given life jackets and we're all making our way down. I think there's 14 of us on this this tour. So, the sun's just coming up, but unfortunately it's a little bit foggy, but hopefully that'll lift as the morning goes on. We're all coming on. Everyone's very happy.
I've got a question for you about all these years worth of photos. That's not where the wind is.
No.
Yeah. Oh, Deb's going to get it.
You're going to block it for me.
Yeah, we're just transferred from there to the little boat. So we're leaving our little comfortable boat that we saw from Port McNeill, and now we're on this little 20-foot skiff. Andrew's still captain, and we've been told to be a bit quiet, so small voices.
supposed to talk, but we've just spotted a mummy bear and 2 CUBS grizzlies. They're there. Shh, Martin.
alters that jacket.
Which way was it going? It was going.
It just jumped up and went down, didn't
Yeah, it wasn't facing one way, no?
Yeah. Well, its headed went that way, but I mean, that means nothing on the reaching, does it?
Can anybody do any well calling? Can anybody do this? Can you what's it? Go on, you can try. Like that. Oh, there you go. Hello, gorgeous.
Okay, deep dive. Right.
Oh, it's a deep dive, yeah. So he's taking a bit of a...
Could y'all hear the exhale and the inhale?
Yeah.
It's very cool when the water's this calm that you can hear both.
There you go, yeah, there they are.
That's them. They've got huge fins.
There you go.
These are our northern resident orcas. And then also there's some dolphins that you can see. That's a couple surfers. Yeah.
That's not orcas, that's too small. Yeah.
So these orcas are only eating salmon. If they were the marine mammal ones, the dolphins would not be hanging around.
Ah, that's the giveaway, okay.
So our northern resident orcas, they have 3 clans. There's the A clan, the G clan, and the R clan. These are likely the A clan. We haven't seen R clan and G clan consistently throughout this summer, but they all have been in the area this year, which is surprising because typically the R clan and the G clan don't come here very often anymore. So another reason that you could consider the salmon stocks to be very, very good this summer is that we have had all 3 clans coming into this area and spending time here.
Yo.
There they are. They're huge. That's the humpbacks over there.
You can hear the sea lions as well. Whoa! song. It's a humpback music.
Whoa!
I just don't know where to look.
You don't know where to look, there's so many.
There's 4 in here. It looks like they're like bumping into each other. They're so funny.
Well, all good things come to an end, and we're heading back to Port McNeill now for a nightcap in Walter.
But if you did like the video, give us a like or a thumbs up, that'd be fantastic. Maybe a comment, we love getting comments from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Now next week, we take a ferry over to Alert Bay, so make sure you join us then. But for now, bye!
Bye everyone!